पंजाब और केपी इलेक्शन मेरे वजीर आजम बनने से पहले ताखीर का शिकार हुए। आर्टिकल 254 के मुताबिक कोई काम ताखीर से होने पर वो गैर आइनी नहीं होता। निगरान वजीर आजम अनवार काकर ने कहा, इंतखाबात की तारीख देना इलेक्शन कमीशन का काम है, निगरान हुकूमत सिर्फ सहूलतकारी करेगी।
The election dates would be announced by the Election Commission of Pakistan. And I am the caretaker Prime Minister, I am not the Chief Election Commissioner. That is part of the problem. If I had the dual role, by the end of this conversation, I would have given you a date. As it is not in my mandate, all I can do, or our government can do, that we have to assist that role. I always feel energized when I see young energy. Energy which would shape the destiny of this country, energy which would shape the destiny of this nation. Individually, for all of you, collectively, for all of us. It's always with hope when we meet young people. The youngsters are full of that renewed vigor and energy.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।